Are Coursera software development courses actually worth it? And which ones should you take if you want real skills, not just theory? In this video, I'll give you a quick review of the best software development courses on Coursera so you can choose the right path. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take more than one course, getting Coursera Plus is usually more cost-effective than paying for each course separately. You can access multiple programs and learn different skills without worrying about monthly payments for each one. The link is in the description if you want to check that out. Now let's get into the top courses. One of the most popular programs is the Meta Full Stack Developer Specialization. This course has over 25,000 reviews and a strong rating of around 4.7 out of 5. It covers both front-end and back-end development, including React, APIs, databases, and real-world projects. This is a great option if you want a complete path into web development. Another top choice is IBM DevOps in software engineering. This program is extremely popular with over 65,000 reviews and a rating of around 4.6. It focuses on real-world tools like Git, CI/CD, cloud deployment, and DevOps workflows. This is ideal if you want job-ready, industry-level skills. And a third strong option is Introduction to Software Engineering by IBM. This course has a high rating of around 4.7 with thousands of reviews. It's beginner-friendly and gives you a solid foundation in how software is built, tested, and deployed. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. These courses cover programming, system design, development workflows, and modern tools used in real companies. Many include hands-on projects, which are critical because employers care about what you can build, not just what you know. Now here's the key strategy. Instead of taking just one course, most people combine multiple courses to build a full skill set. For example, you might start with software engineering basics, then move into full stack development, and finally learn DevOps. That's where Coursera Plus becomes very valuable. You can switch between courses, explore different paths, and build a complete skill stack without paying again for each course. But let's be honest, courses alone are not enough. You need to practice, build projects, and apply what you learn in real scenarios. So, are Coursera software development courses worth it? If you choose the right courses and actually build projects, then yes, they can be a powerful way to start or grow your tech career, especially when combined with consistent practice. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.